Step 1. Create a new Facebook page. To create a page, go to facebook.com/pages/create.php. Click on the Brand or Product option. Select a suitable category from the list. Type the name of the Facebook page. Here, I'm going to create a page to promote WordPress themes. Press the Get Started button. Here you can upload a profile image. Click here and select the image you want to use. Next, type a short description about the page. The new fan page is created successfully. Next, you can add an attractive cover image for the Facebook timeline. Click here and choose an image from your computer. Your Facebook page is ready to use. Let's continue with the next video.